I'm making pot roast. This is chuck roast. We have to season with salt and pepper. Then we have to brown this so it won't stick. We'll dredge it with flour. Browning big chunks of meat is like this. And then on medium fire only. Pot for browning. This is the Dutch oven. While we're waiting for the meat to brown, we have to peel our other ingredients. Potatoes. I'm using a Yukon Gold potato. Meat is now browned for our pot roast, and I have to reduce the oil in this pot. I will saute the onions and garlic in this pot so we can have the flavor of that brown bits. Time to saute our onions and garlic. Then add your salt and pepper. And wait until the onion gets translucent. I have to add the browned chuck roast and then the 2 cups of water with 2 bay leaves and 1 cinnamon stick and half a teaspoon of the thyme. Cover your pot and boil it in low fire for 2 hours or until tender. Let's check our pot roast. Wow, very tender. Now it's time to add the carrots and the potatoes. And then we'll put this back on the stove and boil it until the potatoes and the carrots get tender. And when done, slice your beef into desired thickness and pieces. And there you go.